Namaskar, good morning. Lot of peace and blessings to the soul. Rest in peace. Me, the soul of Sushant Singh Rajput, rest in peace. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से हर न्यूज़ चैनल को देख रहा हूँ एंड हर न्यूज़ चैनल में वो लोग नेपोटिज्म की बात करते हैं, वो लोग फिल्मों की बात करते हैं, वो लोग सुशांत के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सुशांत. कल भी मैंने बताया था 21/1/1986 को जन्मे और टोटल उनका नंबर 3 आता है. लाइफ पाथ नंबर उनका अगर हम कैलकुलेट करके देखते हैं तो 1 आता है. 3 मतलब गुरु, 1 मतलब सूर्य. तो अब ये सूर्य और गुरु क्या है? सूर्य और गुरु तो आपस में मित्र हैं, पर गड़बड़ कहाँ हुई? गड़बड़ यहाँ हुई जहाँ सूर्य और गुरु, सूर्य में डिस्टॉर्शन आ गया. सूर्य 111 हो गया, 21 से 1 नंबर निकाला. उसके बाद हमने 1 जनवरी से सुशांत के लिए 1 नंबर निकाला. 1986 21 जनवरी 1986 में से मैंने 1 नंबर निकाला तो 111 हुआ. 111 मतलब सूर्य की डिस्टॉर्शन. और सूर्य की डिस्टॉर्शन के बाद मैं एक उनके बहुत सारे सालों के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. 2002 में उनकी मदर की डेथ हुई. 2002 मतलब 2 + 2 मतलब 4, राहु. 2020 में उनकी मृत्यु हुई. 2 + 2 मतलब 4 मतलब राहु. उनका ब्रेकअप अर्चना के साथ 2016 में हुआ. 21 जनवरी 2016 अगर उनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ को काउंट करेंगे, 2 + 1 3, देन जनवरी इज 4, देन 2016 is number 9. 4 + 9 is 13, which is number 4. तो राहु की महादशा 21 साल की होती है. उनकी राहु की महादशा 2002 से शुरू हुई और ख़त्म होने वाली थी 2023 में. पर उससे पहले वो ख़त्म हुए. क्यों ख़त्म हुए? राहु मतलब डिप्रेशन, राहु मतलब सारी डायरेक्शंस में जाना. राहु आपको डायरेक्शन लेस कर देगा, राहु आपको डिप्रेशन में डाल देगा, राहु आपको सोशल मीडिया स्टार बना देगा, लेकिन अंतर आत्मा में कहीं आप अकेले हो. अभी कार्ड से हम पूछते हैं कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की सोल. देखो, सोल तो ये हमने देखा है कि एनर्जी कैन नेवर बी क्रिएटेड नॉट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. ये हमारा जानना और मानना भी है कि एनर्जी जो ऊर्जा है या आत्मा है, आत्मा कभी भी मरती नहीं है. आत्मा हमेशा प्रकाशित रहती है. आत्मा शरीरों को बदलती है कपड़ों की तरह. इस वजह से आत्मा का अस्तित्व हमेशा है. आत्मा चिरातन काल से परम सत्य है, आदि सत्य है. आत्मा ही परमात्मा है. आत्मा ही हमारा मन है. आत्मा ही निरंजन है. आत्मा ही निराकार है. आत्मा दिखती नहीं है, फिर भी सारी चीज़ें आत्मा करती है. तो हम देखते हैं कि इन कार्ड्स के थ्रू, जो मेरे बहुत पुराने और प्रिय कार्ड्स हैं, नॉर्मल टैरो डेक है, इनके थ्रू सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आत्मा अभी क्या कहना चाह रही है. चारों तरफ नेपोटिज्म की बातें होती हैं, चारों तरफ कभी ये नहीं देखा जाता कि उस इंसान के पेरेंट्स को कैसा लग रहा होगा. उसकी मदर भी गई नहीं है, मदर कंबाइंड है उसके साथ. उसकी सिस्टर जो जा चुकी है उसको कैसा लगता होगा. उसकी सिस्टर्स जो अभी हैं उनको कैसा लगता होगा. उसके फादर को कैसा लगता होगा. सो लेट मी टेक आउट फ्यू कार्ड्स फॉर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. And with lot of blessings and respect to the soul, because I have seen such a nice person. और irony ये है कि आखिरी फिल्म जो उनकी छिछोरे रिलीज़ हुई थी, उसमें वो एक सोशल मैसेज दे रहे थे कि सुसाइड महापाप, क्योंकि वो बताना चाह रहे थे आई नीड हेल्प. जब आप कहीं रेजोनेट करते हो, आप वैसी ही कहानियों को बताते हो. मुझे केदारनाथ का वो आखिरी सीन याद है जहाँ पे ऊपर एक रस्सी थी और नीचे धरातल खिसक गया. यही हुआ जब आप फांसी ले जाते हैं. when you are hanged till death, then this happens. So stay tuned. So now here we go. पहला कार्ड जो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आत्मा परम चैतन्य है. मैं वृंदावन में हूँ और कृष्णा ऑर्किड से मैं आपके लिए कार्ड निकाल रहा हूँ सुशांत. एंड ये पहला कार्ड है सुशांत की तरफ से, जो कि उल्टा कार्ड आया है. ये कार्ड ट्रैवल का कार्ड है. बेसिकली बैड टाइम टू टेक मेजर लाइफ डिसीजंस. अवॉइड डिसीजंस एंड कमिटमेंट्स जो उनके साथ चल रहा था. सिचुएशंस आर way of working themselves out. Too many factors are pending to conclude a project. Maybe he was thinking to make a project which I know related to astrophysics. He was planning to fly to NASA, but due to lockdown he could not. You do not realize that you are missing an important piece of the information. You know what? Everybody Even the police is missing an important piece of information which is there in front of them, but they cannot see it. Okay, so do not take action, wait for the solution to resolve itself. कई बार solution खुद आ जाते हैं, पर उन solution का इंतज़ार हम कर नहीं पाते हैं. इसी के साथ अगला कार्ड सुशांत की तरफ से एक और कार्ड जो इस solution के बारे में बताएगा. So let's see what the card is. Yes, this is the card. This is King of Swords. Basically ये कार्ड क्या होता है? ये बेसिकली बताता है कि मैन ओवर 40 कोई एक ऐसे इंसान उनकी ज़िंदगी में थे जो 40 साल से उम्र ऊपर थी. उसके बाद यूजुअली कंसील्स हिज इमोशंस, वो इंसान अपने इमोशंस को छुपा गया. डजंट हैव स्मॉल टॉक, शार्प इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सन, एनालिटिकल, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, एब्सर्ड, जजमेंटल. नेचुरल लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ हैं उस इंसान की. और इन नेचुरल लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ की वजह से हाईली एथिकल इंसान था. Speaks with authority, good instincts, common sense, great ideas, high moral standards. So this is what the Sushant Rajput is, and this is what when he died. Okay, so let's see कि अगला कार्ड उनकी आत्मा की तरफ से क्या चीज़ हमें बताता है. तो let's see with Sushant's a lot of blessings to the soul, and here we go. Oh my God, wounded warrior. Look at this person is wounded. He is waiting to be healed. बट द कार्ड इज रिवर्स्ड. अगर ये अप फ्रंट आता तो हेल्प मिल जाती, बट रिवर्स है. ऑब्स्टेकल्स योर वे, दैट्स व्हाट ही वाज थिंकिंग. डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स एंड सेटबैक्स, एग्जॉस्टेड, impossible to achieve what you want. It simply is not meant to. No amount of effort or determination will change that. You will have to settle your second choice. He might be thinking of the first choice, but the second choice was already there. You know what? देवियों और सज्जनों, जब भी प्रॉब्लम आती है उसका सोल्यूशन उसी समय जन्म लेता है. कंस ने जन्म लिया तो कृष्ण ने उसी समय जन्म लिया. महामाया योग माया आई तो कृष्ण आए. राधा आई तो कृष्ण आए. तो कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस ऑलवेज टेक्स बर्थ बिफोर द प्रॉब्लम. Okay, so now let's see what he thinks as a soul when he committed the suicide. Let's go back to the time when he was contemplating it, and once the soul left the body, what was his? Oh my God, look at it. One more card which came upright. He was thinking, oh my God, solution was available. I could have searched for it. Solution था पर दिखा नहीं. क्यों नहीं दिखा? आवरण था. आवरण क्या होता है? मास्क जो हम लगा रहे हैं आजकल वो एक आवरण है. कोरोना बाहर नहीं, हमारे मन में है. वो बाहर का डर नहीं है, हमें डर खुद से है, अपने इमोशंस से है. इसी के साथ एक और पॉजिटिव कार्ड देखते हैं कि सोल ने रियलाइज़ कर लिया कि मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी है. और लेट्स सी कि क्या हुआ, क्या अभी उनको क्या फीलिंग आ रही है. Here we go. Now he is strong. Look at it. This card looks like Sushant. He is working out in the gym. So ये कार्ड बता रहा है, now I am decisive. I have the advantage. I will eventually win. I'll be strong. I'll be aggressive. I accept the criticism and challenges. I'll stand tall to the ideas. I'll never regret my actions. Even though this may seem too aggressive at times, people compete for your energies and resources. He will always be there to guide those people who want to do well in engineering, who want to do well in the art line. Okay, and I'm working on Fakir with color labs, and I would always ask for the help from this divine soul, Sushant, that whenever I'll act in front of the camera, I'll always think what Sushant might have done in that moment. So let's see what is the obstacle right now, Sushant, in your soul level, and let's see what the guides are there. Obstacle. Here we go. Love. He died because of love. Lack of love. Somebody betrayed him, cheated him, ill-treated him. किसी ने उनके इमोशंस को नहीं समझा, किसी ने उनको धक्का दे दिया. Love. And I know the name also, but I'll not say the name. Physical beauty के ऊपर गई वो lady. Beautiful soul को नहीं देखा. Beginning of romance था, cloud 9 था, temptation था, attraction था, sexuality थी, lust था, love नहीं था. In order for a relationship to work, you must leave your parents. He had already left the parents, but the girl was too adamant. Represents a period of good times close friendship, adventure, that's what he was looking for. Important decision must be. तो उनके करियर नेपोटिज्म की बात को मैं रद्द करता हूँ सिरे से. उनको नेपोटिज्म की वजह से मौत नहीं मिली है, उनको मौत मिली है अकेलेपन की वजह से. उन्हें किसी ने छोड़ दिया था, कोई गिल्ट उनके मन में थी. इस समय वो क्या सोचते हैं? इस समय कौन सी आत्माएं हैं जो उनकी मदद कर रही हैं? गॉड फॉरबिड कोई नेगेटिव फोल ना हो उनके पास. एंड हियर वी गो. यस, नाउ ही इज क्राइंग. His soul consciousness is crying that what have I done? Was that girl so important for me? Then my sisters and my parents, my friends and my family and the whole nation. Female, he's with the mother. Attractive, practical, romantic, emotional. Mother and sister he's there with. Careful with the money, perfect wife, loving mother. Nurturing personality, kind, sympathetic to the feelings of other. She has a positive effect on her, on his life. He is surrounded with the positive energies. And I send all the blessings. अब इस पूरी प्रोसेस में, इस पूरे महाभारत के युद्ध में, इस चक्रव्यूह में अरविंद कहाँ से आता है? अरविंद सिंह कोहार कहाँ से आ गया? Let's see. Sushant, can you please send one message for me? What is the message for me? Why am I so much related to the whole instance that from last 3 months I was trying to get in touch with you? Okay, here the 2 cards came. That's what he is telling me. First card is the world card, which came reverse. So I'll read it out. No energy, loss of momentum. He called me. His soul was asking help because he had low energy, loss of momentum, goals were forgotten. He had to set new rules. He underestimated his abilities, lack of vision, fear of change, travel, keep you from success and happiness, too attached to the current job or residence. उस residence में, बांद्रा के उस residence में अभी भी soul is trapped. You are inflexible, must respond to the changing circumstances. He did not. And with that, what he was looking for and what he is giving me back as his soul brother or soulmate or, whatever we call it. Because souls are always connected. We are not aware. As a past life regression therapist, as an access bar consciousness healer, as a soul healer, as eye to eye healer, as Krishna conscious healer, I tell you, nothing is coincidence in your life. कई बार आत्माएं मरने के बाद फ्री हो जाती हैं और वो कॉन्टैक्ट करती हैं. Okay, so wish card, it came as a wish card. He's wishing me a good luck. He's giving me satisfying sexual relationships. He's saying my problems will be resolved, emotional peace will come, goals are achieved, dreams will come true. Take time to enjoy your success and reveal its rewards. Material possessions are attained, physical fitness and beauty. So let's see what I can do for the soul. Okay, let's see what I can give back to the soul, because I really want to do that. So with that, let's see what Arvind can do for the departed soul. Here we go. It would be a church. Okay, worry and stress and insecurities, I will put them in the water. Possible unemployment, loss of home was there. Health problems, weight gain, loss, financial ruin, lost support from the friends and family, bottom. Seek support from religion and spiritual. I'll go and to a religious institute and will try to uplift people. I will try to feed people in the name of Sushant, because this is what my cards are telling and this is what the soul. And in return, Sushant is giving this wish card to me for my movie Fakir. Okay, I'm writing a bound script on Fakir. Fakir is a yatra parikrama of 2019 when COVID hit till 1919, which will go in reverse and will come back to 2020 again. So I'm waiting for I'll not take the names. I'll waiting for those people to meet me in Shirdi, and I'll definitely go live with those excellent people who have not seen me in person, but they came in touch with me through, be it Kashi Vishwanath head, be it Seva Kunj head, be it Bake Bihari head, be it Tatya Sthan head, be it Sai Baba Shirdi Sansthan head. Every people are so supported, caring, and I wish I could have helped him, because I did have a conversation with the PA, but she refused to talk. and she committed suicide, and after that he died. Let's not take the name of this because the soul is resting in peace. So let's see what's the final outcome of the soul, what the soul has decided to do after this nirvana. Okay, so now here we go. Lot of responsibility. He want to take the responsibility. He'll not run away from the responsibility. Soul will definitely come in the body very soon. And with that, life is a constant battle. That's what he used to think. That's what he is thinking. Never seem to break. Heart is heavy. Doubt. Because soul is resting right now. So let's see in how many months or years the person will come back. It could be Divya Bharti's reincarnation with Sri Devi, with Sushant Singh Rajput, Rishi Kapoor amalgamation with Irfan Khan. So let's see. So let's see the final outcome of the soul. Soul is still depressed, still crying. Okay, so let's see. Let's give the healing light to the soul, and let's give the blessings to the soul. If we provide that, after rejuvenation, what the soul will do? Soul will enjoy. Look at how the cards are working. It will take 3 months. 3 months, the soul will rejuvenate, and 9 months after, soul will come in the body. Okay, a soul will rejuvenate for 3 months and 9 months. It's a 12 months process, which is like departed on 15th of June. Soul will come back 15th of June 21 on the earth realm. Well, let's see if I can release my fakir on the same date. So let's see how it goes, because I'm so excited about the whole journey. Okay, so now let me take out one more final card. Yes. It's a time card which signifies the summers. It is June, July, August card, so definitely it would be a June. Anything is possible. Good time to begin a new project. Powerful power, personal power intellect at high. Tap into your creativity, high energy enthusiasm. Good time to start a family. Fertile assured, warm, wonderful family life. That's what the Sushant Singh Rajput is expecting, and that's what he's blessing all of us who love that soul. Let's smile. You know, soul was going through very deep pain, so it has relieved. It has, rejuvenated. It is rebirth and recreation and regeneration happening. So we should always be happy. Always watch his movies with smile, and what he'll do if he'll do that, he'll be happy. He'll be happy. Major turning points will come in your finances. Take a complete financial inventory, low risk investment plan carefully. That's what he's saying. And the last and final card for Sushant Singh Rajput, for his movies, for the love of the cinema which he has provided to the whole nation and internationally. And here we go. And yes, yes, emotion. Now he will defeat his emotion. It will take 1 year, and I'm very, very happy that soul will not have to go here and there, because soul's mother, that's what that card told me. Let me just try and find that card for you. Lack of love, somebody ditched him, he died, and then the mother came for the rescue. Mother and the sister are there. He's there with them. And the last, I know, I want to have one more card, which is like clarification card. Yeah, finally the best card appeared, which is the High Priestess card, which is number 2, which is the Mother Earth, which is Divine Mother, which is Radha Consciousness, because I'm in Vrindavan right now. Radha Consciousness came, and Sushant, I bless you. It's okay to commit mistakes sometime. That's perfectly fine. But God is so forgiving that He has already done that. Inner peace, strength, preoccupied, passion reaction is the best. Let others overreact while you remain calm and sure of the outcome. The answers to your questions are already inside you. Tap into your gut feeling. Mysterious, desirable, yet unattainable woman will enter your life. He will come as a baby girl. This time it will not be a boy. With that, I always tell you, what do I tell you about? Let me take out crystal cards for today, which is 16th 16, 6, 20, which is basically 7 plus 6 which is 4, which is, and plus 4 is 8. It is the Saturn energy which is working today. So let's see आज Saturn आपको और मुझे क्या गाइडेंस देने की कोशिश। सैटर्न की तरफ से कार्ड्स है। सुशांत को बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स। उन्होंने जो गलती करी कोई बात नहीं, लव की वजह से गलती हुई है, बट फाइनली ही इज़ विद हिज मदर एंड सिस्टर, हिज एल्डेस्ट सिस्टर हु पास्ड अवे, एंड he will be reborn after 12 months as a girl, and definitely I'll let you know that where he's born, and that girl will shine like an armor in the industry, and the girl should go in the industry only, so that this nepotism tag just gets away from the soul which was thinking that due to nepotism this happened. No, it did not. So Eucrylite is the card from the Shani energy which is we are getting today. Answered the prayers, okay? So all the great work has opened the door of divine support and solutions. This is what the Saturn is telling all of us. And let's see the final card, the cutest card I'm looking for. And this one, okay. Perfect calcite. You know, with open arms, the souls which are departed, be Sushant Singh Rajput, Irfan Khan, Sri Devi, I always remember her, or Rishi Kapoor, and the souls which are about to leave. I'll not take the names, definitely I'll not. But yes, there are 5 souls which are about to leave the industry, and they'll depart to the next level. With that calcite, busy times and multitasking, take charge of your schedule during the busy time. Honest assess your underlying reason for being busy. Saturn आपको कह रहा है आप बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी हो गए हो, घर पे रह के भी बिजी हो गए हो, तो बिजी ना होइए, खुश रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, डिप्रेशन को गोली मार दीजिए, खुद को नहीं, क्योंकि आप जितना खुश रहेंगे, जितना स्माइल करेंगे, आपके माँ बाप, आपके भाई बहन, आपके दोस्त, आपको चाहने वाले उतना ही आपको ब्लेसिंग करेंगे। कभी भी नेगेटिव शब्द यूज़ मत करिए, हमेशा बोलिए आई एम ब्लेस्ड, आई एम ब्लेस्ड, and if you'll say I'm blessed, you'll get the prosperity card which is Malachite, which means there's a positive shift in your flow of divine support. With that, I always say sharing is caring. Why don't you share this video on your timelines? Do that. And if not, catch me on YouTube on Sai Holistic Healings by AK, which is, if you'll search Arvind Kohar on YouTube, you'll get the link of my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. I'm sharing my number with you, which is 7011560905. If you have any issues related to finance, health, or relationships, get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I just need your photograph and your date of birth and your full name, and see the magic. See the magic. Magic actually happens. Just open your inner eyes and ask your soul to see the real you. Ask your soul to see the magic. Ask your soul to say, ज़िंदगी गुलजार है, ज़िंदगी गुलजार है, और ये आपका शरीर आपका गुलिस्तान है। इसका ध्यान रखना, और उस छोटे से बच्चे का ध्यान रखना जिसको हम सोल बोलते हैं। अपने इनर चाइल्ड का ध्यान रखना, चाहे न्यूमरोलॉजी से रखो, एस्ट्रोलॉजी से रखो, मेडिटेशन से रखो, योगा से रखो, या फिर एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस से रखो, सिल्वन से रखो, चाहे अच्छे से नहाने से रखो, पर अपने इस शरीर को मंदिर समझो, और उसके अंदर जो बैठा चैतन्य आत्मा है उसको इस पिंजरे में तब तक रखो जब तक कि पिंजरा नहीं चला जाता। इस पिंजरे को कभी मत छेड़ो, कभी परेशान मत करो, क्योंकि अगर अपने पिंजरे को, अपने इस हाड़ मांस के पंच तत्व के शरीर को जो 25 प्रकृतियों में रेजोनेट करता है और 3 विकारों के अंदर है, उसको अगर आपने छेड़ा तो ये महापाप होगा। नहीं करना, कभी नहीं करना। मेरा नंबर है 7011560905। साई होलिस्टिक हीलिंग्स बाय AK से अरविंद कोहार आपको थैंक यू बोलता है, और आपको बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा मेरी तरफ से कि आपने कुछ समय निकाल कर इस वीडियो को देखा, और यहाँ मेरी सारी डिटेल्स आपके पास आ गई, और मैं इसको लेट मी पिन दिस कमेंट, एंड आई पिन इट। इट्स नॉट अबाउट 1 + 1 = 2. द वर्ल्ड आई लिव इन इज़ 1 + 1 = 11. एक मैं और एक तू ही तू, मैं ही मैं, ना तू ना मैं, तू है तो मैं किस काम का, और मैं हूँ तो तू कहाँ है। विद दिस तू मैं बस तू ही तू। दिस इज़ अरविंद My name is Kabir the Stranger, Kabir the Ajnabi. So with that, I'll come up with my book, which is Fakir, the holistic parikrama from 2019 to 1919, and with that, that will be transformed into a movie soon, which will be called Fakir. Rest in peace, Sushant Singh Rajput. You did not die of nepotism, you died lack of love. But now you are getting love on the soul realm from your mother, from your sister. It will take a year, and you'll be back with a bang in the industry. Some on 15th of June 2021, somebody will blessed with a daughter, and that daughter will be called what? Try guessing it. With that, send me a WhatsApp or just join my WhatsApp group, or you can just find me on YouTube, wherever it is. Do not try, just do it. With that, thank you so much for watching in Sai Holistic Healings by AK Arvind Kumar Kohar. I always say sharing is caring. Why don't you share this video on your timeline? Okay, stay tuned for the next videos and live sessions. And here I go to Rishikesh from Vrindavan. Take care. Bye bye.